kan long shisha ka sngi sa jingkan mau ba ka jingman toy ka ba khrau na ka banta ki Paidbah nong song snong ka thain Byrnihat hi baro ka wei ka ba ra ka Jingshimkhia ba treshitom jong nong mi khmat na ka jirang constituency kum MLA ba Sosthanas Satun menta ka sngi ka lai tarik ujamang R1000 R4R kalayo ban plino iki lai Tylli ki Pynroi ki bakan thup ya ka surok jong ka snong lom nong thamai ka ban le sha PHC Byrnihat ka badon ni ka Jingjlan kumban not point prapo kilometer nangta ka surok ka balet sha kayo Byrnihat ka badon ni ka Jingjlan ka ba 10 kilometer ber ka jingbu yumau nongrim na ka banta bante ka multi facility center ha Byrnihat ka ba yakini ki Pynroi lawan don Plie Paidbah do Konrad Konggal sangma menteri rangba jong ka jilla ha ka jinge don lang MLA ka jirang constituency ba Sosthanas Satun MDC ba Victor Rani u deputy Commissioner ke Ribhoi District u Arpit Upadhyaya u Dr. Joram Beda IAS Secretary Planning Department Government of Meghalaya lembat kiwi ki riu pau khmat kathain bat ki Paidbah nong song snong bat ki khna school
jungi akaba I Honorable Chief Minister in one ban please non ne surok upaki Paidbah kinyo ban pinelkam kamtam ikinong pang giban haplet syakenika PHC dengan penpawi ya ke jing Plie ya ke corporation ya ke jing trelang na kalaki nong susnong na kumtaban pinbet pimpiang bukanyo e kidi kijaka na kumtaban snai kunu surok.
There are 365 days in every year. So you multiply 4 years into 365. That's about 1,200 days. But I can tell you that he has come over 3,000 times to my office. And he has come only for you. Only for the constituency. And that is why we are seeing projects like these coming up. Today there are 3 programs in fact in Byrnihat in Jirang constituency. We have this road which is about 1 crore, which has been something that the Honorable MLA has been very stressing a lot on because of the connectivity to the PHC again. But the connection to the PHC is there. And of course, we are also going to be putting up a foundation stone for a multi-utility facility. And that's about 60 lakhs from the Tribal Affairs Ministry. And again, I was sitting in my office one day with my planning officers, and we were deciding where we should give this multi-facility center because we only got one. And I just looked up like this and I saw Bading Soto. And I said, well, let's give it to Jirang because he is always here and asking for a development for his constituency. And so this multi-facility center, which is just one that we're getting in the entire district, has come to Jirang constituency because of his hard work. And of course, after that, we'll be having a very large self-help group, the NRLM Mela, where we'll be distributing a large number of checks to different self-help groups, women's self-help groups, and I think focus program also. And we'll also be having a program for the farmers, which we're calling Focus. Of course, I will not talk much about it, but once again, I would like to congratulate the MLA and thank all of you for having this unique program on the road.